Let's talk pickles today. There are good and bad pickles in the world. Did you know that? So bad pickles are what Americans call kosher dill pickles, whatever you want to call it. It's a it's a BS. It's a BS. It's unnettable. It's packed with sugar, with salt, and lots of vinegar. What is the serving size? 1/4 of the pickle or 2-3 slices of the pickle. Who eats just that like that pickle? I want to have a whole pickle at least. I love pickles. Have you seen my videos about pickle and vodka cocktail? Check it out. And there are good pickles in the world. What makes them good? They have no sugar whatsoever. They are not too salty. You can eat 2, 3, 5 pickles and you will be fine. And you can drink juice where pickle was pickled and they're fermented. It's delicious. It's good for your gut. It has a lot of lactobacillus, which you can find in yogurt, sauerkraut, sourdough, and sourdough bread, and a lot of those fermented good stuff. So today we're making those good pickles, which has no sugar whatsoever, and it's very healthy for your gut. And eating pickles, taking lactobacillus, it can improve your digestion system. It has proven to reduce anxiety, depression, and even cure cavities. How cool is that? So let's make good pickles today. Get enough pickles to fill your glass jar, fresh dill, and a few cloves of garlic. Cut the ends to help the salty water to penetrate faster and more evenly. Starting with a very clean jar, add a few sprigs of dill, 1 cut in half garlic clove. Place cucumbers vertically. This way helps to fit more cucumbers. When you think it's already full, you always can squeeze in 1 or 2 extra cucumbers. Then add a layer of fresh dill with 1 or 2 more garlic cloves. Continue with the rest of cucumbers, trying to fit as much as possible. I even like to cut in smaller pieces, which I start nibbling on them like even next day. Finish filling up the jar with dill and garlic. Bring enough water to cover the cucumbers. I usually do that in a teapot. For every 2 cups of water, add 1 heaping teaspoon of sea salt. Sea salt is very important. Don't try with iodized, it won't work. Keep filling until you reach the top. Cover with some plate or cheesecloth. It has to breathe. Leave it on the counter at the room temperature and watch the magic happens. In the next 5-7 days, usually it takes between 5 and 10 days depending on the room temperature. The warmer it is, the faster it will happen. You can start eating even the very next day, but real pickle will be approximately after 7 days. Try every day, and whenever you are satisfied with the taste, just cover the jar tightly and place it in the cool place like refrigerator. It can stay refrigerated for months. Please give it a try, and I hope you're gonna like it as much as we do.